Hello, the objective of this video is to show you one single step that you can take to have a successful Zoho CRM setup. And this is very simple. And for this, I'm gonna go all the way back to the setup page. Okay, we're already here. And then we're gonna go to the fields customization. And here, as you already know, is a list of all the fields, but all the fields are displayed in the layout, the way you want to see them on your modules, on your forms. So before you start getting, working on the workflow and setting up rules and conditions and connect your application to your APIs and other services, you need to make sure that you get rid of all the stuff that your forms are not going to need. So for example, do I really need to have a title for the name of my client? If my business is, not that serious, I'm selling socks, do I really need to have a Mr. Joe Blow on the database? Probably not. Do I really need a fax? If all my business is done through email, why on earth do I need a fax? Rating, am I really going to have time to rate the customer? If it's not part of my process, if it's not part of how I envisioning building the database, get rid of it. Do you need Twitter? Probably not. Maybe you want to categorize them by region. Okay, I'll leave that in. Campaign response. Maybe not. Created by. Do I really care who created the record? Or am I more interested in tracking sales? So I want to get rid of it. What's the status of the client? Maybe this one I'll leave it in. What's he likes? His website, his email, last name. Okay, some fields are mandatory and therefore I cannot delete them. Company, I want to know that. Skype ID. So here's the bottom line. Again, the first actionable step that you can take is make sure that you leave the bare minimum fields that your business workflow requires. Everything else is just extra baggage that you're going to have to carry out and build rules and workflows around that, or just to justify its existence. So give yourself a break. Think about the fields that you really need, and everything that you don't, just eliminate, remove it from the list. Remember that perfection is achieved not when there is anything else to add, but when there is nothing else to subtract. So there you go. That was an easy and quick suggestion. Hope you enjoy it.